just a box. I got this at Michael's for $10. 3 soda cans. I got this from Dollar Tree. I got a 4-pack for $1. A mop. I got this from Walmart. I already opened it and used it. That's why I'm not showing you the whole thing. So I used it and this is what I did with it. These here. Just basically like ripped out the fabric from the mop and just braided it and twisted it. I got these petals from Walmart. They were like 98 cents. E6000. And my picture frames from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna use the glass from these from Dollar Tree. All right, applied E6000 glue to it, to the glass. Just cutting. Spray painted the cans and filled it up with olive oil, and I've got these in there. Okay, and my fire pit is ready to be filled. Cut up some dry foam boards that I got at Dollar Tree. Cut them up and put them in here. Then I'm gonna go fill it up with pebbles that I got from Walmart. There it is, all done.